We'll guide you through how to make glitch transition in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure that VSDC Video Editor is already installed and ready to use on your device. Open the program by double-clicking the VSDC Video Editor application. When the Start screen appears, select the Import Content option to begin a new project. Choose the 2 videos that you want to use for the glitch transition and click the Open button to import it. After the files are loaded, change the project title to How to Make a Glitch Transition in VSDC. You can adjust the resolution settings if needed, but for this example it is fine to keep the default values. Once everything is configured correctly, click the Finish button to enter the editing workspace. Next, double-click the first video on the timeline to open its editing layer. Go to the top menu and click Video Effects to open the available video effect categories. From the available categories, select Special Effects to access the Visual Effects section. Then choose the Glitch option to apply the glitch transition effect. Leave the object position settings at their default values and click the OK button to apply the effect. Go to the right side of the interface and set the duration frames value to 15. After that, move the effect so it is positioned at the very end of the first video clip. Open the Preset section and select the Glitch preset to apply the predefined settings. Once the effect is configured and looks correct, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then return to the scene and open the second video on the timeline. Press Ctrl+V to paste the same effect onto the second video. After pasting the effect, return to the scene once again and move the timeline to the beginning of the project. Click the play button to view the final result and check how the glitch transition appears between the 2 videos.